Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2019 and a half Forestriver Salem Hemisphere GLX 295 BH. This is a fifth wheel bunkhouse travel trailer. So you're going to have a master bedroom up front and some bunks in the rear. We're going to take a few minutes and show you the outside and then the inside of the new camper. On the new 19 and a half, you're going to notice graphic change, also fiberglass color change. It is an oyster exterior now instead of a white. So you have new exterior looking fiberglass, a brand new front cap design over the earlier version also. This new straighter, more upright cap here was designed to allow for a stackable washer dryer in the front closet, where the old version could only do a combination washer dryer. You have an LED light strip down here, LED side marker lights and rear tail lights, deep tint safety glass windows, large power awning with the LED light strip and has adjustable arms on it also. The unit has electric front jacks and electric rear stabilizer jacks on it. Spare tire is mounted up underneath it here. There is also a battery compartment right here. In behind this little door here is a secondary battery. Solar prep. You have a good size pass-through storage here going across the camper. Light switch there for the cap lights. Also the battery disconnect switch to shut off the battery for storage. You can see the aluminum tubing for the aluminum tube floor frames. Furnace exhausts out right there. Unit comes standard with the upgraded steps there. Those steps are stronger and don't shake the coach as bad when you're going in and out of the coach. Traditional RV entry door, radius top, screen door, large folding entry handle. You'll also find the model numbers located usually right next to the entry door there. This one was also ordered with the extended season package right there. That basically puts an extra layer of insulation foil in the roof and floor. Dual axle, drum brakes, 16-inch tires. We'll get around to the specs on those when we get to the other side. You have outside TV hookups here if you want to do TV outside. 2 speakers. Little outdoor kitchen area back here. So you have the refrigerator in one compartment and then a pull-out sink and grill in a secondary compartment. We'll stand back here a little bit so you can kind of see down the side a little bit better. Ladder on the back. Big storage compartment on the rear also. That is underneath of one of the bunks. Standard 4-inch square tube bumper. You have the power jacks you can see down there. The switch for those power jacks to raise them up and down is on the rear side here. This customer chose to do the observation camera on the back, and that is what you're seeing under that middle marker light up there. That is the Furion wireless backup observation camera, actually. So it works when you're backing up or when you are driving down the road. It's a nice feature. It's not done by the factory. The factory pre-wires it, but we do it here at Couch's RV Nation. Also, be sure to like, share, and subscribe if you are interested in keeping up with our new videos. Trying to update a lot of these new models as they're rolling in. 50 amp detachable power cord on this unit. This customer ordered it with 2 ACs, so it was upgraded with 50 amp also. Gray and dump handles back here. There is another dump area up here. You'll see once we get up to this side right here. And this is for the front section. So you got some kitchen stuff in the back, and you have the bathroom stuff up here. Was ordered with the 10-gallon gas electric water heater. 6-gallon is standard, so you can do either or. The other side of the pass-through storage compartment here. Little docking station here, so you have outside utility shower, black tank flush, cable and satellite hookups, bypass for the water heater, all right there. Crank handle in case of the jack failure, if possible. The electric jacks were to go bad, you can manually crank them up and down. 2 30-pound propane tanks, standard on the coach. This unit is actually in here getting ready to go through service and prepping, so they have them out. But they go in this compartment. You can see the auto changeover regulator right there. Dual slides. Here you'll find your stickers, basic information, VIN numbers, axle size, 5,100 pound axles, ST 235 80 R16E range tires, gross vehicle weight of the camper 12,185 pounds. You have your axle weight, and you also have your hitch weight that's combined for your gross. Not all the weight of an RV sits on the axles. A lot of weight actually sits on these feet or on the tongue when it's hooked to your truck. Right here, this sticker will tell you the actual dry weight, 8,961 pounds. There's usually a sticker also located in the entry door area that you'll see that will give you more information too. Pretty nice looking unit on the outside, full gutter extensions going down both sides. You have the 3-inch gutters, spouts to help shoot away the water. One-piece walkable roof, enclosed underbelly. Alright, we're going to go on to the inside of the coach real quick. Alright, we are up in the inside of the camper now. Again, 295 BH Hemisphere. This unit has one slide downstairs. Was ordered with the traditional booth dinette. You have some storage underneath of there. The table goes down, makes into a bed. Nice big windows. All LED interior lights. Even do a little light above the slide out now, a little light strip that goes across through there. Sofa bed, so you got a tri-fold sofa bed, folds out. 2 adults could sleep on it fairly easy. Electric fireplace, flat screen TV, Jensen DVD stereo system. New refrigerator for the 19.5 versions. It's the EverChill 10.7 12-volt refrigerator. So it does not have to have electricity. Works off battery power. The camper has a built-in converter that actually allows that to work when you are plugged into electric, or when you're driving down the road, works off battery power. Ceiling fan feature. You can see the air conditioner up there. It's ducted air. Also the skylight there that was up there. Traditional microwave, 3-burner cooktop with the Furrion oven. Has the glass door and light in it. Also nice little light up knobs there. And a glass backsplash / stovetop cover. This cover actually just folds down. And below is a little pull-out drawer. But instead of doing a traditional wood front, they put kind of an oven door look to it. Below that is your propane leak detector, your electric box below the refrigerator there. Going back to the bunk area, it's kind of nice. You got little steps going up into the bunk area. Good size beds. There's an electric outlet back there, USB chargers, light under there, window opens. Up into the other bunk, the window again opens, also an emergency exit. Electric outlet over there and USB chargers. Another window there. Now this bunk here actually kind of goes back into that area too. And there are TV hookups up there. And you have the little closet area here, hanging closet. And the one above is also a hanging closet. Nice Euro hinges on the cabinet doors and big handles, so it's a little easier to grab when you're trying to open the doors. Spinning around here, we are looking toward the front of the coach now. Three more drawers in the kitchen area, some storage underneath of the cabinet there. Undermount stainless sink, solid surface sink covers, high-rise pull-out sprayer faucet. Again, be sure to like, share, and subscribe if you are interested in keeping up with the new RVs that are coming out now. My name's Ray. If you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call. One of the salespeople here at Couch's RV Nation. We are one of the largest internet wholesale dealers in the country. Toll-free number 888-417-8299, extension 203. Here you have some buttons for your awning, downstairs slide out, some light switches, water heater on gas, the electric button's actually outside, modern panel here. This again was ordered with dual airs, so you have two different air controls. One will control the furnace, the other one just controls the bedroom air. Ceiling fan switch here. Window for the hallway area. Does have the nicer pull down roller shades too. These are pretty nice, good little blackout shades. Another new feature for the 19.5 for the Hemisphere is the pivot door going into the bathroom on some of the models. So that door is a little different than what you're used to seeing in a Hemisphere. Fairly decent bathroom size for a unit this length. So you do have room to kind of get in here, get in and out, get dressed. One of the things I really liked here was this big little area here for towels and stuff, whatever you want to put in there. So you have quite a bit of room for towels, washcloths, medicine cabinet type stuff, whatever you want to put there. ABS shower here with the glass enclosure. Does have the skylight up above. There's also a little fan up there above the toilet area. Porcelain foot flush toilet. Moving on into the bedroom area here. Room to get around both sides of the bed. They did carpet the bedroom area. There's 3 dresser drawers. There's a little sit-down seat you'll see once we go in a little further. Mount area for TV if you want to do a TV in the bedroom. There you can see the second air. Big closet across the front. We'll open that here in a minute, but that's what it looks like when it's closed. Has little metal clasps to hold it in place. Heat vent down there on the floor. There's also electric outlet and USB charger ports there. Light switch for the bedroom here and bedroom slide out control there. So you've got some room to kind of squeeze in and out of here. These sliding doors here. Just go back out of your way. You have either a long hanging closet or washer dryer hookup, depending on what you want to put there. Couple coat hooks. There you can see the little sit down seat thing there. Big window overlooking your campsite. Slide this back over here out of the way. And the other side of the closet also has some shelving built into it. There's 3 lights in this closet also. Kind of spinning around, looking back toward the doorway there. You can see on the side of the little dresser, there is an electric outlet there and also USB charger port there. Panning up a little bit further, you got your TV hookups there if you want to do a TV in the bedroom. Right there you have the TV antenna rotation handle. They don't crank up and down anymore, but they do rotate around. They still pick up your standard high definition channels if you're in a decent reception area. Thanks for checking out my video. Again, Ray, CouchesRVNation.com, one of the largest internet wholesale dealers in the country. Definitely save you a lot of money on a new RV if you're interested in one. Please feel free to give me a call. Toll-free number 888-417-8299. My extension is 203.